Good evening, Rhondda. My name's Lorraine Barrett. I was Lorraine Booth, born and brought up in Thomas's Place, Annessia. I'd like to read a poem for you this evening, written by Robert Frost. He wrote it in 1916, in the middle of the First World War, and it's about making a choice in life. And I was thinking, we all have to make choices these days, particularly, especially about keeping safe and staying home. So this is the road not taken. Two roads diverged in the yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that, the passing there had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, and yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Good night.